goodness. Here's the pups at 7 weeks. They're all over the place. They decided to come out and explore. And Porter's playing with them. He thinks they're fun chew toys. There's the big boy. There's the little guy. Hi, little guy. What are you doing, little guy? Meow, 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 meow. Go beat up the big boy. It's hard to keep track of these guys. People want pictures of them. And how do you get a picture of a moving object? That's what I want to know. That's what I want to know. They don't sit still long enough to get pictures. Oh, you just got run over. Porter, there's another one to jump on. Yeah, there's another one. Go get him. Go get him. Yeah, baby. Oh, there's Mama. Hi, Mama. Hi, Pops. How are you? Uh-oh, they got a chewy bone. Man, they're in 7th heaven now. Man, we've never seen a chewy bone before. We're in luck. And they're off. And they're back. What the heck? Here you have the whole stinking herd. What do you think? You gonna help him? You gonna help him? I don't know.